Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get Microsoft 365 for free. So first things first, you have to simply go to a Microsoft or Office.com. You can use the browser-based version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and OneDrive. Just simply sign in or create a free Microsoft account to start using them online immediately. But there is limitation. So limitation include internet connection needed, limited features compared to desktop versions, no macros, limited editing for password protected files, and only 5 GB of free OneDrive storage. But you can use this application for free. You just have to create an account. Another is that for students and educators, Microsoft 365 Education offers free. So all you have to do is if you have a school issued email address, you may qualify for Microsoft 365 Education, including desktop apps and additional looks like Teams. Access can be immediate, but some institutions require verification that may take a few weeks. And then lastly, we have here free trial. So basically, you can have your full Microsoft 365 1 month. Microsoft offers a 30-day free trial of the full Microsoft 365 suite, including premium features across desktop and web. You need to provide payment details, but you can cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid charges. This gives temporary access to apps like Publisher and Access, advanced collaboration tools, and more cloud storage. So all you have to do is tap this one and then proceed with the payment method, but you don't need to pay for 1 month. All you have to do is to add your payment method here, for example, PayPal, credit card, or debit card, and just follow. And Microsoft will give you a full 1 month free trial. So it's just temporary access to application. So basically, these are the ways and how to get Microsoft 365 for free. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.